So welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to claim 8,000 plus mystery quest and earn on your PAW, PAW, your PAWs. So what you need to do is you're going to your Telegram. Once you open your Telegram, now you need to search, or if you do not have PAW as a new beginner, just come here and click on pause, and you can see it's going to click on open. Once you click on open, you see how it's going to look like. So let's wait for it to load. Now this is it. Now the first thing, you can join the community and you can check your reward. So now I'm going to click on earn. Once you click on earn, this is now we have to either just make sure you come back after 15 hours to claim this 10,000 pulse. Very easy. Come back after 15 hours. Just set your time, set your alarm. After that, come here. You just have to click on reacted. Then you'll be able to get your 10,000 pulse. So now let me get another one. Just click on in-game. Then you'll be able to, if you do this one now, you'll be able to claim your 6,000 pulse. That is add pulse emoji. Just click on start. Once you click on, you want to set this emoji status, you just click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it's going to set to your emoji. Click on confirm, and you can see this is to subscribe for. You can subscribe for this. Once you subscribe for this per month, you'll be able to add the pause, you can see, and boost. Click on this one to be able to get this. Just boost your channel. You can see all this one is premium. This one is premium. You can also invite. This one is very simple. You can also invite. Once you invite, you'll be able to claim all the spawns on the spawns. It's very easy. It's very easy. Just do it and you'll be able to claim all these points. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.